are very similar to peppers. They're actually cousins in the plant world. They're both members of the nightshade family, and so you can treat them similarly. So, with peppers, your goal is to remove those lower leaves on the lower half of the plant. And so the same kind of goes for your eggplant as well. You can remove those lower leaves, maybe from like the bottom third or bottom half of the plant. Anything that's under the first set of flowers, that first flower cluster, you could remove if you want. Now, anytime you're pruning, and this also goes for harvesting leaves, but anytime you're pruning or you're removing leaves from a plant, you want to be mindful of how much volume you're taking off of the plant at any one pruning session. And so a good rule of thumb that I like to follow is trying not to remove more than 30% of the leaves that the plant has available during a single pruning session. And that's not only the number of leaves, but also taking into account the size of the leaves. And you want to think like no more than 30% of the total volume of leaves, not necessarily like counting the leaves and taking a third of those.